Good morning friends, myself Niranjan and you are watching the channel Quest. Today is 28 April and welcome everybody to our today's session of our regular GK series Today in History, in which today we shall focus on some of the important events happened on 28 April in history in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Friends, if you are watching the channel first time, then click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our videos. Before beginning, let's have today's thought. Winning does not always mean being fast. Winning means you are doing better than you have done before. Now let's start today's session of our questionnaires. Question number 1. Who was the 7th Peshwa of Maratha Empire who had never lost a battle during his 20 years of his military career? Answer. Bajirao I. He was working for the king Shahu I, and a Hindi film based on him is made named Bajirao Mastani. Question number 2. Who is the first graduate and barrister of Odisha born on this day in 1848 who had founded Utkala Sammilani in 1930? Answer. Madhusudan Das. He is popularly known as Utkala Gaurav. Now I am reading a stanza of a poem written by him. ଜାତି ନନ୍ଦୀ ଘୋଷ ଚଳିବ କି ଭାଇ ସ୍ୱାର୍ଥକୁ ସାରଥି କଲେ ଟାଣେ କିରେ ଗାଡ଼ି ଦାନାର ତୋବଡ଼ା ଘୋଡ଼ା ମୁହେଁ ବନ୍ଧା ଥିଲେ. Question number 3. Which Indian costume designer born on this day in 1929 had won Academy Award for the best costume design for film Gandhi directed by Richard Attenborough and National Film Award for the best costume design for film Lekin and Lagan? Answer. Bhanu Athreya. She is the first Indian to win Oscar Award. Question number 4. Which Indian independence activist established Home Rule League on this day in 1916? Answer. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 5. Which Indian film won the Golden Lotus on 4th National Film Award ceremony of 1957? Answer. Kabuliwala. This film is based on the story written by Rabindranath Tagore named Kabuliwala. Question number 6. Which German industrialist and member of Nazi Party born on this day in 1908 is credited with saving lives of 1200 Jews during Holocaust? Answer. Oskar Schindler. He is the subject of 1982 novel Schindler's Ark, which was adapted into 1993 film Schindler's List. Question number 7. Which American engineer and entrepreneur became the first space tourist on this day in 2001 via Soyuz TM-32 mission? Answer. Dennis Anthony Tito. Question number 8. Which pilot flew plane for the first time in the night on this day in 1910? Answer. Claude Graham White. Question number 9. Which year on this day it was announced to develop yellow fever vaccine? Answer. 1932. Question number 10. Which year on this day Booker Prize renamed as Man Booker Prize? Answer. 2002. Friends, thanks for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.